Hi everyone, my name is Saishaan Kataria. I'm currently studying at Candor International School and I'm doing IB diploma. I intend on pursuing food science. So I've applied to three colleges throughout. I've applied to one college in the Netherlands called Wageningen University. I've also applied to two colleges in the US, which is UC Davis and UMass Amherst. I have received acceptances from all three of these universities and have received a $56,000 scholarship from UMass Amherst, and I intend to commit to UMass. So throughout my journey, I've been supported by Scoreleap and Mr. Kalyan throughout. I received a lot of support on Common App. I mean, it's a platform that I hadn't used before, and then received a lot of guidance on what to do and what not to do. I was also helped throughout my essay and how to phrase it and what kind of a story I need to propagate to get into these universities. And overall, I had a unwavering support from everyone, and I thank Scoreleap's team and Mr. Kalyan's support for getting into these universities. Thank you.